Hi guys, this is Rals. Welcome to Inside Jungle channel and welcome to Rals balcony. Yay, you are back on my balcony and I have a small update for you. Da-da-da-dum. This is my wall. I finally managed to finish almost all the way to the top and to put a grout between the bricks. So I'm very happy that it's starting to get into a shape. Of course, I still need to clean it, and after I wash it and I clean it, so it's only gonna be this grout over here, I'm going to give it a layer of polish, stone polish is it called, and my husband drilled this into the wall, so I'm going to be able to finally hang things. It's gonna be a very beautiful wall and a very beautiful spot. So this is a little update from my balcony as far as the brick wall is going, and today I want to feature my new acquisition, my new jade plant. So you might heard about the money plants. There are quite a few that are considered money plants. This is what I really wanted to have. I do believe in law of attraction and I do believe in symbolism. As long as you give something a meaning, it will have meaning to you, and of course, why not to the universe around you. But today's topic is not about law of attraction, although I've seen it working, and maybe I'm gonna give you some other time a few tips. Today is about repotting the jade plant and making it into maybe a money pot. The money pot is used in Feng Shui to attract wealth and abundance, and not only money. So when we say abundance, it's not only about money, but this jade plant, it's usually associated with attracting money because of, they say, the color of the money, green, you know, the dollars, the eternal symbol of money, and of the round, sort of round shape, and they resemble round coins, so they say. So in many culture, and especially in Feng Shui, it's used as a symbol that attracts money. It's a beautiful plant. Its leaves are fleshy and waxy at the touch, and it can grow looking like a tree. It can grow very nicely. You can shape it. Actually, here on the bottom, as you can see, I put a couple of weeks back some cinnamon powder to seal the wound of the plant, because this is what happened. Yay! This one I took it off from here. This one I took it off from here because I want to propagate the jade plant and have many little mini jade plants around the house. And these leaves basically fell off, probably during transportation. How did I get it? By the market, usually in the weekends or in the afternoons. Sometimes you find old ladies that are selling small pots of flowers, whatever they have in the windowsill or whatever they have in the garden, and they sell it with maybe €1 if you use dollars, $1 and a few cents, or if you use lei, 4 or 5 lei. So I bought it with 5 lei, that's almost €1, and I'm happy whenever I see these kind of old ladies. They're trying to socialize, they're trying to meet new people, and they go to the market and sell a few plants that they have around their home. It's like a personal touch. They don't come from a plant nursery, they come from somebody's home, and they were touched by a lady that's been through life by that age. So I bought this one, and now I prepared the following. I want to put the baby that I took off, I want to put it in this jar. At the bottom I'm going to put sand, and then I prepared already, here you see the sand, and here you see the citrus mixing soil. And why I use citrus mixing soil? I do not have cactus soil, but as the cactus soil, the citrus soil is also a type of soil, a mix that is well drained and will help the plant by not retaining water. And I forgot to tell you, this plant, it's hard to kill. It's from the cacti family, it's related. Not the cacti family, sorry, it's from a succulent family. And they like water, they like to be well watered, but then in between the waterings, they love their soil to go completely dry. So this little one will go into this jar. You see the jar in a pot, in a glass pot, and around here I'm gonna make a type of money pit. I'm gonna put these coins, and I'm gonna put them around, and hopefully this will grow very fast. About this one, I need to check it out. I need to see the root system, how well developed it is, and then I'm gonna determine the pot size. And as you can see here, I have a new addition. I brought this from work. I do not know the name of this plant, but I like the color. It's a purple color. And my husband's like purple or red leaf plants, so I know that because of this, he will not mind if I'm gonna put it in the living room. So far he said, no plants in the living room, you have the entire balcony for yourself. But this little fellow will find suddenly and mysteriously the way to our living room. Yay! And I plan to put this one into this one, and because I want it to look nice, it's gonna look like this. But it's after I take care of the jade plant. It's been 2 weeks here with us, 2 or 3. I wanted for the wound to get settled before I touch the roots. And you can see this is kind of a clay soil. It's very, very dense, and definitely not something a succulent flower or plant will like. I'll be back. And I am back with one of the final products. This is my mini money pot. It has a baby jade plant, which does not have a root system yet, but I'm very hopeful that it's gonna develop one very soon. And around it I have scents. How can I show it in a better light? Like this. I have one cent. Actually, they are dollar cents. They came to Romania all the way from US because I consider them lucky pennies. And unfortunately, I don't have enough pennies, enough cents, 1 cent coins to fill this little glass bowl. I'm very, very sorry that I cannot fill it, but I think it looks kind of cute, even not filled all the way up. So this is my mini money jar, money pot, if you may. I'm going to make a special video about the other money pot I had and how I assembled it. Let me tell you something, it did work. We were not millionaires, we did not become rich overnight, but we have, how can I say, a constant help along the way in terms of money. And after we started the renovation, the money pot went into a dark corner of one of the rooms, and we didn't see the same extra flow, let's say, that came into the family. So if you say that it's silly, this doesn't work, let me tell you, it did work. And I'm going to set the intention for this pot to attract abundance once again, and through abundance, money as well. And I'm gonna keep you posted with the outcome of this initiative. Now I'm back with partial results. I would like to show you the root system of the jade plant I have in my hand. So as you can see, it's as tall as my hand, yeah? But the root system is not developed almost at all. It could not. It was such a clay soil. It was so dense, it could not even develop. So this will go over here. This will go over here. I'm going to put, as I said, the citrus soil mix together with some sand. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna make a mix of the mix, and they are gonna be in this pot so I can take it to the living room. Yes, this one will go into the living room on the principle that it's a money plant. We must and we need to have it in our living room. Yay! That will be my argument. Don't tell my husband I already have prepared my speech, yeah? So I'll show you the end result when this is potted. I'll put down the phone for a moment and I'll be back shortly. And I'm back one more time for today, this time with another final product. So as I said, this is my money pot and this is my jade plant. As you can see, I mixed the citrus oil with the sand, and you can see the sand particles as well over there. This is the final product. I'm going to water it. Some of you out there, you do not water the succulents right after you repot them, but I do. I've never had any problems. This is true. I do water for the very dry soil to have some power to give to the plant, and then for 2 weeks almost I let the soil rest and the succulent develop its root system. So this is it. This is the final product. This is how it's going to look like, and I hope it's gonna be fine and well. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show both of the plants in a few weeks from now. Until then, happy gardening, happy planting, go get dirty, and many blessings. Bye bye.